Once upon a time, there was a small village in India. That village was surrounded by mountains from three sides. There were several challenges due to that mountain. First, villagers used to take a longer route whenever they have to go to the nearby city for any kind of essential services. They also need to climb the mountain when they have to go to their fields. Children need to climb the mountain when they have to go to their schools. So they've got so many other challenges as well. There was a poor farmer also living in that village. He had no land, no fields. He used to work in one of the villagers' field as an agricultural laborer to fulfill his livelihood. One of the bright day in 1958, his wife was climbing that mountain to provide or to deliver food and water to him. Unfortunately, she unbalanced and fell from the mountain. She was badly injured. That farmer quickly reached there and trying to take her to the nearby hospital, but the closest hospital was 55 kilometers away from there. Other option was to carry her and climb the mountain. So he tried it, but he failed. During this process, his wife perished due to the lack of medical support. He used to love her so much, so it was a very big loss for him. His wife images, those visuals were all the time kept coming in his mind for several months. He didn't want the same tragic incident happen for any of his fellow villagers. So he decided to break the mountain so that villagers can reach to the nearby city in less time. He had no tools, no machineries, even he had no money. So what he did, he sold his cattle, his goat, his primary source of income, and purchased a chisel and a hammer. Next morning, he went to that mountain and started chipping the rocks using chisel and hammer. Villagers came there. They started laughing and made fun of him. They told him that whatever he is doing, that is impossible. He cannot move a single rock. He didn't listen to them. He kept on doing whatever he was doing. He made ritual. Morning 4 to 8, he worked on the mountain. 8 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, he started working in the villager's field as a laborer, and in the evening, again back to the mountain. He did that one day in, day out. At one point, some of the villagers suggested that you should go and meet some government officials. They may support you. So he agreed, but he had no money to buy a train ticket. So what he did, he walked along the train track for 1000 kilometers in the hope of getting support. But he didn't get any hope, any support or any commitment from government. He came back and again started the same thing, whatever he was doing it. Chipping the mountain using chisel and hammer. He received so many challenges, so many obstacles during the journey, but he didn't give up. At the end, in 1982, he turned the impossible things into possible. He carved the path through the mountain, which is 110 meters long, 9 meters wide and 7 meters deep, which reduces the travel distance from 55 kilometers to 15 kilometers for his fellow villagers. Even now it becomes safe to bring any vehicle to that village. And do you know how much time it took for him? 1 year? 2 years? No. It took 22 years. Just imagine, where were you 22 years ago? So that person was doing it, was chipping the mountain from that time till today. This is a story of Dashrath Manjhi, also known as Mountain Man. He gave 22 years of his life for his fellow villagers so that they will not face the same thing what he faced. This is a story of love, compassion, determination, commitment and unstoppable effort. Friends, everyone knows about Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a symbol of love, which was built by 20,000 workers for 22 years in the memory of beloved wife of that king. This mountain path, this path which created by Manji, is also the symbol of love, which was built by single person using chisel and hammer for 22 years to support or to help his fellow villagers so that they will not face the same thing that he faced. What an amazing and inspiration story, isn't it? There are 4 takeaways from this story. Number 1, no matter how big your goal is, if you commit, then you can make it possible. Number 2, consistency is the key. If you start something, then keep doing it on a regular basis. Number 3, do not wait for the perfect condition or perfection. Start today with the available resources and keep improving it on the journey. Number 4, if your intention is right and you are thinking about to serve the society, then the universal power, or whatever the name you want to give to it, it will support you, it will help you, it will be on your side. Come what may, keep doing it irrespective of any kind of challenges. When the right time will come, then you will become the witness of miracles. So, take the chisel and hammer and start chipping your mountain to build the path to your dreams. Friends, my name is Rajneesh. I'm a meditation coach and a human potential trainer, and my mission is to provide life empowering techniques in a simple and practical way. What is your takeaway from this story? Please write in the comment box and share with other likely minded people. I wish you all joy, peace, and an abundance of success in your life. Stay active and keep smiling. See you soon with another powerful and a meaningful story. Till then, Namaste.